my name is Gloria, and I won the latest giveaway, the TV, which is exciting because I've never won anything so big in my life. I started coming to Dr. Laos maybe around 4 years ago. I hadn't been to the dentist in 3 years because I've always had traumatizing experiences. So I asked my friend who is an orthodontist, and I said, I need the best, you know. She said, well, there's Dr. Laos, but he's kind of far. I live about 30 miles away. I came, and that was probably the most pleasant checkup I had ever in my life. So I continue to drive out here every 3-6 months as necessary, and I love Dr. Laos. I've referred all my friends. I tell them it's worth the drive because before, after teeth cleaning, I would have pain and bleeding and all that stuff, and with Kristen and Dr. Laos, I haven't had any discomfort ever, and just their bedside manner is phenomenal. So if you are in the area, or even if you're not in the area, you should definitely come check him out. He's awesome.